In a world increasingly driven by the voice of AI and technology, a new phenomenon emerged that was both simple and profound. It was not merely about asking questions or affirming beliefs. It was about blending the two into an art form called ASKfirmations. This concept, seemingly straightforward, carried the potential to transform individual mindsets and collective thinking. Askfirmations were born from the realization that questions shape our perspectives, while affirmations cement them. It was a novel approach where individuals posed questions as if they were affirmations, a fusion that encouraged open-mindedness while reinforcing positive beliefs. For example, instead of the usual affirmation of "I am successful," an ASKfirmation would turn it into "Why am I so successful?" This subtle shift encouraged introspection and exploration, inviting the mind to provide answers that resonated with personal truths. The world of Askfirmations began with a diverse group of creators from different backgrounds, each bringing their unique insights into how this new tool could be harnessed. First, there was Jade, a therapist who recognized the power of introspective questioning in her practice. Understanding the potential for her clients, she integrated Askfirmations into her sessions, noticing how they sparked deeper reflection. "Why am I deserving of happiness?" became a gentle nudge for her clients to engage with their possibilities rather than merely stating them. Then there was Mark, an entrepreneur who saw Askfirmations as a way to innovate thought processes in business. He encouraged his team to ask from a place of curiosity and confidence, such as, "Why do our ideas succeed?" This approach stimulated a collaborative atmosphere where potential solutions were uncovered through a blend of questioning and positive reinforcement. Ella, an educator, found Askfirmations to be a perfect tool for engaging students in active learning. By shaping questions like, "Why does this concept fascinate me?" she inspired her students to dive deeper into subjects, fostering a love for learning that extended beyond the classroom. As ASKfirmations gained traction, a community began to form around this creative dialogue. Online forums and workshops flourished, inviting individuals from all walks of life to explore and share their experiences with this transformative practice. It was not just about achieving goals, but about engaging with life in a way that was inquisitive yet affirming. The journey of Askfirmations continues to evolve, with many discovering the potential to reset mental patterns and open new pathways to personal and professional growth. It stands as a testament to the power of language, serving as an inspiring reminder that sometimes the union of inquiry and affirmation can lead us to unexpected truths and profound understanding. So, the next time you need a fresh perspective, try asking the multi-universe through Ken Short's on Pandemic 7777, "Why am I capable of greatness today?" The answers might surprise you.